This is my Danmoto Highwayman exhaust. I've had on for about a week. I went from North Georgia mountains to Daytona, Florida on it. The only thing I've noticed that I don't really like is it sits really close to the peg and you'll burn to your foot and you'll burn your boots if you're not careful. But performance is up and it sounds really good. I put the Vance & Hines Black Max tune in my power commander. Let's start her up and see how she sounds. Well, if you want one, I would definitely recommend it. You can't beat it for the price. It's super light, got a great tone to it. It does get a little bit copper colored, but it's raw stainless. You ain't gonna touch another one of these for anywhere close to this price. I paid $271 shipped to the door. It's an awesome exhaust.